Given the problem, in 1991, the moose population in a park was measured to be 1917, and in 1996, the population was found to be 1862. Assume the population continues to change at a constant rate. Part A, find a formula for the moose population, P, in terms of T, the year since 1990. Note that this means that T equals 0 means the year 1990, T equals 1 represents the year 1991, etc. Now we know from past math courses that a constant rate of change gives us a linear function, and we're technically actually given 2 points here, where the input value is time since 1990 and the output value is population. So the 2 points given from the problem are 1, 1917, and 6, 1862. We can then use those 2 points to find the slope of the line that we're looking for using the slope formula. Here we put it in and we get our slope is -11. Now if we want to find the equation of a line, we can use point slope form of a line. We can put in that first point, and here's our equation of our line. The value is -11 is our slope. Our input value was 1 when our output value was 1917. There's our equation, our linear equation for this problem.